Welcome back everyone. In this lesson we will be learning about do while loops. In our last lesson we learned about while loop, and in this lesson we will learn about do while loop. Now to understand do while loop, we have our previous lessons code here. We'll make some slight changes. We'll take away this while part and paste it here after the braces, and we'll add a do. Do is the keyword that is used in do while loop. Okay, so now let's compile this. Okay, we forgot the semicolon. Yeah. All right, now we'll compile this again. Okay, we can see that the code is working just like usual. So you might ask, why do we need the do while loop? It looks very same. Now suppose our x value is 1. Now suppose x is less than 0 is our condition. X less than 0 is our condition for while. Now let's compile this. See, we'll get one go. So what does that mean? It means that do loop executes the commands inside the do loop at least once and then checks for condition. That means even if the condition is not true, even if the condition is not satisfied, the commands inside the do loop will get executed at least once. That means cout will get executed at least once before it checks for the condition to be true. Now if the condition is true, it will execute like normal. Now even if the condition is false, the loop contents will get executed at least once. That is the purpose of do while loop. Now while loop doesn't do that. While loop only executes if the condition is true, but do while executes once, then checks for the condition, and if that is true, it will execute again. So I think it is clear the difference between do while, for loop and while loop. Now in our next lesson we will compare do, while and for loop. These three loops will compare and we will learn when to use them and why to use them. See you there. Thank you.